Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillah wa salatu wassalam ala Rasulillah. My dear student, good morning to you all. Today, inshallah, we will continue taking our lessons for the English for the second year. My name is teacher Inaz Al-Hdathi. So I hope you have your books ready and some notebooks because I need you to do some handwritings today with me. So as you remember, the name of our unit is called food. Food. We discussed in the previous lesson, if you remember, and I'm sure you will, we talked about singular and plural, about how to use article, a and an. Today we will take lesson 2, that is in page 24 and 25. So let's start, Bismillah. So this is the name of our unit. This is the first page, food. So as I told you before, we talked about singular and plural. What's the difference between singular, like I'm talking about an apple, just one apple, a book, a door, a student, a teacher, a car, just one. But plural, I have more than one. Apples, teachers, cars, doors, and so on. Also, we talked about articles, a and an, and how do I use them, or when do I use them. We will have an exercise in a minute. So let's start by revising singular and plural together. As you can see, I have a table here. To your left, I have all the food or the fruits, singular, just one. So I have apple, banana, mango, peach, strawberry. But to your right, as you can see, I have plural, apples, S, bananas, mangoes, peaches, and strawberries, Very good, very good. Now let's go to the next one. Also, we talked about the articles a and an. When do I use them? Remember, I only use them with singular, just one. Singular, noun that I can count, because sometimes I cannot count that thing, so no need for the article. I use a in front of the consonant vowels, okay? And I use an in front or before the vowels, okay? The vowels letters. So let's try to do this exercise together. Let's start, Bismillah. So, as you can see, I have singular and plural. So we will be doing two things. We will be completing this with the articles a and an, and also complete the plural with s-es or i-es. So let's start. The first one is an example. As you can see, I have a lemon, just one lemon, right? But to your right, I can see 4 lemons. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 lemons. So lemons here ends in S. Okay, let's go to the next one. Apple. So which article do you think I should use with apple? A or an? What do you think? Very good. An apple. Very good, because it starts with the vowel A. An apple. But to your left, to your right, sorry, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples. Very good. 5 apples. 5 apples. Very good. Now let's go to the next one. Banana. What do you think? Banana. Shall I use it with a or an? What do you think? With a. Very good. A banana, because remember, I have just one. But to your right, I can see 1, 2, 3. I can see 3 bananas. Very good. I can see 3 bananas with an S. Excellent. Next one I have is strawberry. How many strawberries can you see? How many? I can see 1. So, a strawberry. Very good. Just 1. Okay. But to your right, I can see 3 strawberries. 3 strawberries. Very good. 3 strawberries. So let's read these kind of fruit one more time. A lemon, 4 lemons. An apple, 5 apples. A banana, 3 bananas. A strawberry, 3 strawberries. Very good. Let's go to the next one. Today we will be talking, or I'll be explaining or giving you the names of some food, famous food that we eat almost every day. So let's start by introducing this. We all love this, right? So I need you to repeat after me, okay? So dates. Dates. Not date, dates, because plural. Dates. One more time. Dates. One last time. Dates. Very good. I have dates. Next one I have jam. Jam. One more time. Jam. One last time. Jam. Very good. Jam. Next one I have is cheese. Cheese. One more time. Cheese. One last time. Cheese. Very good. Remember, CH. We took this in the previous lesson. Cha. Cheese. Next one I have is honey. Honey. One more time. Honey. One last time. Honey. Very good. Very good. Let's go to the next one. Bread. Bread. One more time. Bread. One last time. Bread. Very good. Very good. Next one I have is orange juice. Orange juice. One more time. Orange juice. One last time. Orange juice. Excellent. Excellent. Next I have olives. Olives. 1, 2, 3. Olives. One more time. Olives. Very good. Very good. Next I have yogurt. Yogurt. One more time. Yogurt. One last time. Yogurt. Very good. Very good. How about this one? Yeah, you already know this one. Eggs. Eggs. One more time. Eggs. One last time. Eggs. Remember, you have this in your book. How about this one? It goes very well with the dates. I have coffee. Coffee. One more time. Coffee. One last time. Coffee. Very good. Okay, so let's go through them one more time. And I need you to remember that sometimes I use an article if it's singular and countable. So the first one I have dates, countable, jam, uncountable, cheese, honey. Honey and cheese are uncountable. I cannot count. I cannot make a plural. Bread also is uncountable. Orange juice, any kind of liquids, juice, water, coffee, tea is uncountable. So I cannot have S, the plural. Olives, countable. Yogurt, uncountable. Eggs, of course, because I have an S, is countable, okay? And the last one here I have is coffee. Now, I need you to help me with this exercise. Choose. This is a slice of what? What do you think? Bread, cheese, or honey? What do you think? So you have your books, and we just introduce it. This is a slice of cheese. Very good. This is a slice of cheese. Excellent, excellent. Let's go to the next one. Now, so we introduce kind of food like yogurt, eggs, bread, jam, honey, dates, and coffee. Let's talk about the meals. How many meals are we supposed to eat every day? Or what are the meals that we eat every day? Okay, so basically or normally people eat three kind of meals. 3 meals, okay? As you can see, we have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. To your right, to your left, we have breakfast. Normally we eat breakfast at what time? If you could remember the first unit, we eat breakfast in the morning. Very good, in the morning, and lunch in the afternoon, dinner sometimes or normally in the evening. So we have 3 meals: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, if I'm asking you, okay, what will you eat for lunch? Or what did you eat for breakfast? Okay, you will give me the list of food that you ate for breakfast. Look at this picture. What will you eat for breakfast? As you can see, I can see milk and some cereals. For lunch, I can see fish and some fresh vegetables. And for dinner, I can see a steak, a chicken, and a salad. Okay, so it differs. The type of food depends on the meal that you are having. So, my dear student, I hope you have your books at page 24. It's very important. I need you to open it and I need you to start doing the exercise with me. As you can see, I have this at page 24. I will have it zoomed in a minute. We have a family here eating something, okay? We will be reading it together. Read and match. Okay. The family is at the table and they are eating different kind of foods. Food, I already gave you this lesson. So let's start with number 1. Dates. Dates. Cheese. Cheese. Coffee. Coffee. Honey. Honey. Olives. Olives. Yogurt. Yogurt. Bread. Bread. Jam. Jam. Eggs and orange juice. So now you know what do we need to do. As you can see, I have some pictures below. I tried to enlarge it as much as I could. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3. I have 10 pictures. I already do number 7. Okay, so let's try to do the rest of the exercise. Let's start with dates. So I need you to help me. Where are the dates? Where shall I put number 1? Very good. So this is date. So I need you to go and write number 1. Okay, so we already crossed dates. Next one I have is cheese. So where shall I write number 2? Which picture? Very good. This is cheese. Next one I have is coffee. Coffee. Where's the coffee? Where's the Arabic coffee? This is coffee. Very good. This is the coffee. Next one I have is honey. Honey. Where shall I put number 4? Very good. This is number 4. Very good. The next one I have is olives. Number 5. Very good. These are the olives. Number 6 I have yogurt. Yogurt. Sometimes I can have plain yogurt. Sometimes I can have Greek yogurt. Okay, we already have number 7. So number 8, I have jam. Jam. Very good. This is the jam. The next one, number 9, I have eggs. This is eggs. Very good. And the last one I have is orange juice. This is orange juice. Very good. Very good. So we try to match the names of the food with the pictures in your book. So make sure you are having the correct numbers in your book. And let's go to the next one. So now let's move up to page 25. With page 25, I'll be doing something different. As you can see, I have number 2, read and write true or false, or right or wrong. But I'll be giving you the pictures from page 24 next to it, so we can answer these. You will get what I mean in a second. As you can see, I have this is number 2, but I have this from previous slide, or from the previous page, page 24. So we can answer. Now, read and write true or false. So it's either you will be writing true, which is right, or false, which means wrong. Okay, so let's do it together. Number 1, Mr. Saad has coffee and eggs. Now, we need to look at the picture and see, is he having coffee and eggs? So this is Mr. Saad. What do you think, my dear student? Can you see coffee and eggs in front of him? Actually, I can't. All I can see is milk and dates. So it's not true. It is false. Very good. It is a false sentence. Very good. Now let's go to number 2. Mrs. Saad has coffee and cheese. Now let's look at Mrs. Saad. She has coffee and cheese. What do you think? Does she? Does she have coffee and cheese? As I can see, yes, she has coffee and cheese. So it is a true statement or a true sentence. Number 3, Sammy has an orange juice and olives. Sammy has an orange juice and some olives. This is Sammy. What do you think? True or false? It is so true. I can see some olives and orange juice. How about Huda now? This is Huda. Huda has eggs and bread. Huda has eggs and bread. Now let's look at the food in front of Huda. Does she have eggs and bread? Actually, she does. So this is also true. Very good. And the last one here I have is Ali. Ali has a yogurt. So if you look in front of Ali, can you see yogurt, my dear student? Actually, I can't. All I can see here is jam, and I guess this is a cup of tea or milk. So this is not true. This is false. This is false. Very good. So let's go through our answers. The first one is false, true, 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 and false, and false. Make sure you are having the correct answers in your books. Let's go to the next one. So you have this in your book, okay? Let's read it together. Let's read these sentences because this is as an introduction for our next lesson. In the morning, I have coffee and dates. So that will be what, my dear student? That will be breakfast, right? So in the morning, I have coffee and dates. I have bread, cheese, and milk for breakfast. I have bread, cheese, and milk for breakfast. Very good. At 10 o'clock, I have orange juice. At 10 o'clock, I have orange juice. Okay, let's read them one more time and then I'll be asking you. In the morning, I have coffee and dates. I have bread, cheese, and milk for breakfast. At 10 o'clock, I have orange juice. What about you, my dear student? What about you? What have you, what did you eat this morning? What was your breakfast this morning? Was it eggs, cereals, cheese sandwich? What kind of sandwich? Was it coffee, dates? How about lunch? What are you planning to have for lunch? Is it rice with chicken? So, for the next lesson, we'll be introducing more food and more meals. Remember, we should eat 3 meals a day and they should be so healthy. Okay? So, let's have this teeny exercise or small exercise with A and An. Okay, so I have orange. And remember, singular, just one. A or An, what do you think? An orange. Excellent. The next one I have frog. Frog, it starts with a consonant. F, frog. A frog. Remember, just one. A dog. Dog, what do you think? A or An? A dog. Very good. Next one I have cat. What do you think? A cat. And the last one I have ice cream and ice cream and ice cream. Very good. So that was our lesson. We introduced more food. We introduced 3 meals a day. So until I see you next time, stay safe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.